wa mondo orwak yore pur gohala manyasani kaka yo mar medo yuto magigolo e puothe kaka keyo. Maeri en kwayo mogol e kinde nyisruok mar pur manobagi e kar tiegruok mar Bungoma National Polytechnic. Nyisruok ma kamano ywayo lony manyasani kod ji ma ok tin ne 100 mane geto lony manyasani kendo kedo kod kute mag puothe, pidho kothe mochayo oro kaachiel kod bedo kod kothe motegno e kendo machiek mapiyo. Laktar Rosabella Chuku ne oyango ber mar nyisruok makama ka gin mago makelo rieko kod lony mathoth e kind oganda kod jopur e weche manosir kod Abraham Mukovi.
Kaweze kusoma kuhusu ukulima. Na hapa nimekuja ili nikaweza kujifunia sababu nimeona vitu tofauti ambazo zimepandwa mahali hapa. Mfano nimefundishwa kuhusu upandaji wa mahindi ya miezi 3 ambayo inafanya vizuri sana. Na nimeona kwamba tunapoendelea hivi kama wakulima tutakuwa na mafuno mengi katika hii ulimwengu yetu.
Inviting those who can still listen to us to come because this maize will be here for almost 1 month. They are labeled, the information is on the labels. Let them come and learn because all of us we want to improve on agriculture and make this country food secure. So we are all happy, we are all glad, and want to congratulate the Bungoma National Polytechnic.
As the county government, we agreed to work with the Bungoma National Polytechnic, and also it has been a boost to local farmers who are within the community because this is the chance that have been given to the community so that the community can appreciate the presence of Bungoma National Polytechnic within their community. They come and learn some techniques and practice at home.